our bus to go to Epcot. It's 7:12. We got up around like 5:30, 6 a.m. We are trying to get into early park entry, so thankfully our hotel is aligning with the early park entry requirements. So we are about to go into the park. First stop at Epcot always has to be this Joffrey stand. We have made it past early park entry, so we are gonna head toward the right side of World Showcase, get some Joffreys and breakfast at La Hall, and then make our way around towards Frozen. And then we have our Guardians Lightning Lane at 9:40. It is actually Ethan's first time here at New Epcot, so we'll get his reactions. So it's like super empty right now, which is surprising because it is a Saturday morning in the summer, so you'd think a lot of people would be here right now, but it's actually so empty. What do we think, Ethan? Like it better?
Yeah.
Like it better than old Epcot? It's so much more fitting for sure. One thing that is super new ever since I came here in January is that they finished up Communicore Hall. So basically this is where they're having some live entertainment from Encanto, but that is ending I believe September. And then we have a little window here for festival favorite foods. There's no festival going on right now, but I guess they have like a couple of new foods from different festivals that they have every year.
You eat the whole thing.
Is there egg in this? Or?
Yeah, it's egg and cheese.
I usually don't like ham, but the big guy is so good. I'm gonna try the quiche. Quiche has egg in it, right? There you go. We just finished breakfast in the France Pavilion, so we are gonna hop onto our first lightning lane, which is at Guardians. I don't want to give any spoilers, so I will see you guys after. You guys, this Epcot line is so cute. I like this sweatshirt, but it's a kid's. They don't have like an extra large. Yours are so cute as well. Oh my gosh, and I'm low-key thinking about the hat. I don't know how I feel about the blue. We'll see. But I love the park specific merch right now. I think this is my first time in the new Club Cool. So here you can try different sodas from around the world. Philippines, well. Philippines. Here, Mom. Philippines. Sweet. I know. It tastes like cherry.
Korea.
Let me try Korea.
It's lychee.
It's lychee.
That's juice. It doesn't have like this sparkling. This is like a free activity too.
The lychee.
Just to give you guys a little update on where we're at. It's currently 11:36, so we're gonna try to scan into our Remy's Ratatouille Lightning Lane at 11:40 because sometimes you can scan into your Lightning Lane 5 minutes early. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna actually do another back and forth rotation to Guardians because we were able to get virtual queue, but that's at 12:45. So maybe walk around World Showcase a little bit more and then head back to Guardians. Honestly, I felt like throwing up on Guardians. I think it's because I ate breakfast and had coffee before then. So I want to be able to better enjoy it again a couple more times before we head out today. Yeah, about to go on Remy's and then gonna carry on with the rest of our day. Thank you. My favorite. Got my favorite macaron sandwich. Always a must get for me. We just got off of Guardians of the Galaxy and now we are going to finally enjoy the rest of World Showcase. Gonna go toward the left. We've been spending our entire morning the right side of World Showcase, and so we're finally gonna get our snacking on. One of my favorite ways to get AC and escape the hot weather is to come into like one of these exhibitions in the World Showcase. It's like a little museum for Disney. This is the Shanghai Disney one. Walking through these stores gives me so much nostalgia. Like, I don't even buy anything from here, but I'm always loving just walking around here. Like, they even have fried. Is it turkey?
It says American imitation.
Oh, turkey Cheetos. Is this pork belly?
Garlic oyster. Roasted garlic oyster.
They have this at World Market. Y'all, we are just walking around World Showcase right now. We just passed through refreshment port and about to get into Germany. But y'all, it is hot. It is hot. This morning it was overcast, but it's so hot. I am over here at Summerfest and we are gonna try the pretzel bread pudding. I've never had it before, but it seems so good. You guys, this looks crazy. Okay. It's my first time trying this. There's pretzel bread, pretzel bites. At I rate this 8 out of 10. Update on the weather. It is about to rain. First rainstorm and thunderstorm of the trip. So let's see how it goes. We are going to run it and book it to Japan. That way we can get some coverage. About to rain. We're gonna head inside our favorite souvenir shop. Or Moana's Journey of Water. Just finished raining, so it's nice and cool. Perfect way to enter into the evening. The plans changed like 3 times within the past 5 minutes. So Journey of Water closed, so we're gonna go ahead and go into the seas. LOL, it is raining again. Now we are gonna go into the land pavilion. Shout out to Noah. You know what's going on. Get on to Soarin' using multiple experiences Lightning Lane because Soarin' closed earlier during the time we originally had a Lightning Lane reserve. So we were able to get on right after Living with the Lamb. So this will be our last ride in the Land Pavilion, and then we're gonna go to Spaceship Earth and then make one more loop around World Showcase so that we can begin eating dinner. For dessert, I got the Christoph Cafe coffee. We're gonna try it. I taste the coffee, very chocolatey, but pretty good. only at a 5-minute wait. This is always the best ride to end the night with and the day at Epcot because it is on the way out and it is the most iconic ride. Last ride! So that concludes our day at Epcot. Tomorrow is a non-park day, so we are gonna chill at the resort, go to Disney Springs. Till then, good night.